Hello everyone, welcome back to Jack's Labs. Today we're going to be doing the ice cream chemistry lab, but first let's go over some key terms and vocabulary. The first thing we're going to go over are the parts that make up ice cream. These include vanillin, air, ice crystals, palmitic acid, glycerol, and sucrose. Next we're going to go over what an emulsion is. An emulsion is a combination of two liquids that don't normally mix together. Next is freezing point depression. Freezing point depression is a colligative property when making ice cream, and this effect is observed regardless of the specific identity of the solute. Finally, the stabilizer's roles in making ice cream are preventing large crystal formation, and it also acts as a sponge by absorbing and locking into place any liquid in the ice cream. Now that we've gone over some key terms of vocabulary, let's get into this week's lab. Starting with the materials, you'll need granulated sugar, milk. This can also be substituted for half and half or heavy whipping cream. You'll need vanilla extract, table salt, rock salt, one sealable bag that is sandwich size, and then another that is either the same size or a little bit larger. You'll need ice cubes, a small towel, a timer, measuring cup, and measuring spoons. The independent variable is either the choice of salt, and then the dependent variable is the taste, texture, smell, and time to solidify for ice cream. There's no control, and the constants are all ingredients and amount of ingredients, order in which ingredients are added, environment, and shaking technique. Let's get into the procedure. First, you're going to gather those proper materials. Next, in the smaller bag, you're going to place 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 cup of your dairy choice, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to seal that bag, leaving a little bit of air in the bag, and place it in the fridge. Next, in our larger bag, or same size bag, we're going to add 4 cups of ice cubes, and then add that choice of salt. First, we'll start with rock salt. Once you've done that, you're going to place the smaller bag inside the ice bag, and make sure both are sealed very tightly. We don't want anything to leak. You're going to wrap the small towel around the bags and start a timer as you start shaking the bag vigorously. This is acting as an ice cream maker. The shaking should end around 5 minutes, but make sure to keep checking the bag to see when it ends so we can record the time. Once the ice cream is solidified, stop the timer and remove the ice cream bag from the larger ice bag. Once you've done all that, you've completed the experiment. You should have your very own homemade ice cream. And then for the experimentation process, instead of using rock salt, we're going to use table salt instead. That's it for the lab. I hope you enjoyed this final lab of this semester. Thank you, and have a good one.